Hello, my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Red cabbage is a good source of the flavonoids, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your body against serious illness like cancer, lower blood pressure, keeping normal cholesterol level, help in weight loss, and prevent the absorption of fat inside the body. It is the most nutritious that provides you with a lot of nutrients. It is high in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, which makes it great food for digestion. Eating red cabbage is more than just performing your due diligence and eating your vegetables. It is actually a proactive step to reducing your risks of developing some very problematic conditions. It is considered as a superfood, which contains lots of vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals. Red cabbage provides a big quantity of anthocyanins. Anthocyanins qualify not only as antioxidant nutrients, but also as anti-inflammatory nutrients. It is rich in vitamin B complex, an excellent source of minerals such as manganese, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Lack of vegetables and fruits, making a bad diet will make you grow old. Antioxidant and vitamins contained in red cabbage will slow aging process and keep your body stay young. Sulfur has ability to detox or purify blood from toxin or harmful substance. It also enhances liver function to get rid of those harmful toxic. Try to consume red cabbage daily and feel the difference when your body gets detoxified. People who suffer from arthritis will always feel pain on joint and they need regular medication. Red cabbage contains high anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in joint and reduce the pain. It promotes healthy digestion, prevent constipation, improve immune system, prevent scurvy, maintain healthy skin, fight against cancer, prevent heart disease, relief upset stomach, treat ulcer, maintain healthy brain, prevent eye disorder, increase metabolism, slower aging process. Orange is a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and folate. It is an excellent source of various bioactive plant compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These include flavonoids and carotenoids. Orange juice is full of immunity, boosting vitamin C, an essential vitamin that our bodies are unable to make naturally on their own. It is really healthy for our bodies. It has all the vital vitamins and minerals we need. They are also a very good source of dietary fiber. Oranges are a good source of B vitamins, including vitamin B1. They are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can keep our health on the right track. Vitamin C dominates the nutrient lineup of an orange. Aiding collagen is its vital function and slows down the process of inflammation. Oranges contain pantothenic acid and folate as well as vitamin A, calcium, copper, and potassium. How to build strong bones and teeth. Promotes healthy body tissues. Lowers high blood pressure. prevent kidney stones, supports the production of hemoglobin. Lemons contain plant compounds that provide various health benefits. These compounds include citric acid, hesperidin, diosmin, ariocitrin, and D-limonene. Lemon peels are very nutritious despite being eaten in small amounts. They has antibacterial properties that may block the growth of microorganisms responsible for oral diseases. Lemon seeds helps you in eliminating the toxins and unwanted material from your body. Orange peels contains higher amounts of nutrients. It gives your diet an extra boost and support heart health. Help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Lower the risk of stroke. Improve macular degeneration. Prevent arteriosclerosis. Prevent cardiovascular disease. Including lemon seeds in the lemon juice is a great way to take full advantage of these bitter seeds. Regular consumption of lemon seeds will help your body flush out toxins and make your liver healthy. Ginger combats brain disease and improves detoxing. Carrot juice is rich in iron content, which helps the body to provide oxygen whenever it is needed. Good for eyesight. Very effective in accelerating weight loss. Detoxify assists bowel movement and eliminate constipation. A juice cleanse allows you to heal your body and start over again. You will have more energy, fewer cravings, less bloating, and clear skin. A cold-pressed juice cleanse is a great way to aid your body in detoxification.